In this video,
we will learn how to make a Tycoon in Fortnite. So in order to build a Tycoon in Fortnite, we'll need two devices. One is the conditioning device and the other is the granting device. In order to get these devices, all you need to do is go to the creative menu. From here, you need to head to the contents tab. Then under the devices section, firstly you'll search for conditioning button. So just click on it and place it anywhere in your creative map. After that, we'll add some gold in this conditioning device. So go into the item menu yet again. Then go into items. In here you can find gold by searching for it. So equip some gold. After that, I'll press tab and add some gold into this device. Now gold has been added to this conditioning device. Now all you need to do is customize this conditioning button. In order to do that, we will head into the all options section. In here, activation theme can be any. Interaction should be turned on. After that, a key item required beneath them should be whatever you want the input to be. So suppose I want the input of gold to be 50. Now scroll down until you find the visibility during game. You can keep it on or you can keep it hologram only, which looks better. After that, click on OK. Now we need to set up the granting device. So we'll go to the creative menu again, head to content. Now we will go into device, search for the item granter, click on place now. Now place it anywhere. After that, we'll add gold into it. So we'll press tab and drop one gold in here and it will take it as an input. After we have set it in our map, we need to configure it. So press E. In here, make sure to keep it enabled on game. And on grant action should be keep all. Now scroll down until you see the grant on timer settings. You need to turn it on and the timer can be whatever you prefer. So I'll just set it to 1. After changing that, head to the functions tab from the top hand side of your screen. From here, choose grant item when received from. Select device will be conditional button and the event will be on activation. After that, press OK and now we're done. Now we'll just start the game to check it out. So now we are in game mode, and if I come here and press interact on the conditioning device, we'll see that our gold is increasing by 1. So this is how we can easily make a Tycoon in Fortnite and enjoy playing it as we please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.